Hi. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have, I got my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of April. So I'm excited to open this and share it with you. So anyway, let's just get to it and see what I got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for your support and thank you for being here. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribing, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. And I'm looking in here, and here we go. I haven't seen the bag yet, so I'm kind of excited about it. So one thing came out of the bag. But look at this bag. How fun for April. I love the colors. It's like purple flower zip. And then this is kind of a little quilted. It's got purple inside. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Every month I go crazy over the bags. I'm doing the same right now. So anyway, let's just see what we got in here. We've got the Glam Bag is Spring into Self-Care. Right there. And it does show a sneak peek of some things. I don't know if it's for next month or in these bags. I don't think I got any of these products, but anyway, so there we go. And it doesn't list the products on here, but there's a thing that talks about soft luxe eyes. Anyway, so there's that. So I'm going to go in here, and the first thing I'm pulling out is a long, looks like Illuminati. This is a multi-chrome eyeliner from Illuminati Cosmetics, and it looks like it could be kind of a purple color. It says multi-chrome. So let's see here. I like it because it's a full-size product. And oh, it looks kind of good. There's the packaging or whatever. So let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm a little disappointed. It's a green, but it looks kind of like a mossy green. Okay, but now on the camera, it looks pink. Go figure. It feels like a really good liner though. Maybe I would use it. I think it would go in the, okay, now I'm seeing purple. I don't know if you're seeing purple there. Pink. I see the green a lot in real. It's kind of like a mossy green color, but it looks like one you could put in your, it does have a thing on the end that you can smudge it, but I think it's one that would go in the waterline. So anyway, kind of fun. Want to try that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is it's from Olaplex, and it is the, let's see, number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So I like that it's a mask because it's such a small one. I can use it. I think it can use it, maybe get 3 uses or something, maybe 3 or 4, I don't know. So there's that. Can't get mad about an Olaplex item. And then I have from Nip and Fab, this is a vitamin C Fix Hybrid Gel Cream. Don't know much about what that would be. Let's see what it says about it. It's weightless gel-like moisturizer packed with a potent 5% vitamin C, complex for a radiant lift from within look. Okay, it has niacinamide. So anyway, it sounds like a nice little moisturizer. Maybe when you could take traveling or whatever. So good for summer, whatever. So I'm not too mad at that. Then I got a perfume sample. This is Jo Malone. And it is, let's see, wood, sage, and sea salt. So it sounds interesting. I'm going to try it. I don't have perfume on right now. It's not, I don't think it's a spray. Is it a spray? I like the spray. Oh, yeah, it is a spray. Okay, let me do. Oh, it smells really good. Too bad it's just such a small sample. I might get 2 uses out of it. I'm going to just spray it all. I want to smell it. Okay, it does smell woodsy, sagey, musky. Yeah, and it's good. It's a good scent. I like it. So anyway, I tend to go for more florals, but I do love something like this every once in a while. So anyway, so there's, let's see, there's 4 products. And my 5th product came outside the bag right here, and I believe it's an eyeshadow palette. This is from Just Ximena. Ximena, I don't know, it's Ximena. Not sure how it's pronounced exactly. I have gotten palettes from them before. They're just mini palettes, but they're not bad. These aren't bad palettes. So anyway, there it is. I don't think I'm going to keep it for myself, so I'm not going to sample it. But let's see what we got here. My sister came over yesterday and just took loads of makeup off my hands. Anyway, she has 4 daughters, so it's kind of fun. I love my nieces, so they all got new makeup this week. This one's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I really like those colors. That's really fun. So anyway, there's that. So that's my 5th item. So we've got the eyeshadow palette. Did I give you guys a good look at it? I think I did, but anyway, so there's a better look at it. Super pretty. So we got the eyeshadow palette. We've got the vitamin C moisturizer with niacinamide. It seems like a really lightweight, nice little moisturizer. So we got that. So I'm happy with that. We got the Jo Malone woodsy, musky, sagey perfume. And it's smelling good. So I like that. I don't know if I'd go buy it. And that when you get a sample like this, a lot of times they want you to buy it. But anyway, it's good. If you like those scents, it is really good. So let me know if you've heard of them or if you're familiar with that product. Then I got the Illuminati, the Chrome eye pencil, which actually I'm definitely going to try. I think it could be a fun little eyeliner. So, and it felt like a good one. So I like that. And then the last thing I got was Olaplex, the mask and the hair mask. So that's also something I will use. So we zip it all up in this cute little bag, and there we go. There's our Glam Bag for April. I got some add-ons, but I think I'm gonna just do, I got so many add-ons. I got it with my boxycharm and with this. So come back and see, because I got some really, really fun stuff. But I'm going to do it in a separate video. So there's too much to do anyway, I don't want this video to be long. I just want it to be short and sweet. And there we go. There's our Ipsy Glambag for the month. So I'm always happy with Ipsy. So there we go. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.